Hi and welcome back to TapTech. Today, reviewing the ROG NUC 2025 Mini PC. This compact machine is small in size but packs serious performance. If you're looking for a powerful computer that doesn't take up much space, this one might catch your attention. I've spent time using the ROG NUC 2025 for both work and gaming. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know its design, features, how well it performs, and if it's worth your money. First, let's talk about the design and build. The ROG NUC 2025 is small but bold. It follows the gamer style aesthetic that Asus is known for. The sharp lines, the LED lighting, and the compact chassis give it a cool look. It's built with strong materials and feels solid. The ventilation is clever. It stays cool even when pushed hard. It has a modular design, which means you can upgrade some parts easily. The outer shell has a matte finish, which resists fingerprints and gives it a clean look. You can keep it on your desk without it looking messy. It feels premium and professional, while still having that ROG gamer edge. The size is one of its biggest strengths. It doesn't take much space at all. Whether it's on your desk, behind a monitor, or even mounted, it fits easily. You can even carry it in a small bag if you travel. It's compact, but still powerful enough to handle demanding tasks. Now let's talk about performance. The ROG NUC 2025 can be configured with Intel Core Ultra 9 processors and DSFOSOSF 4070 laptop GPU. That's a serious combination for such a small machine. It handles heavy workloads without any issues. I tried video editing, running virtual machines, 3D modeling, and of course gaming. Everything was smooth. There were no stutters or delays. It's fast, responsive, and powerful. The SSD inside offers blazing fast read and write speeds. It boots up in seconds. Large files open instantly. Even when running multiple apps, there was no slowdown. The RAM options go up to 64 GB DDR5, which is great for multitasking. Whether you're editing 4K videos or compiling code, this machine keeps up without breaking a sweat. Now, about the software and features. Out of the box, it runs Windows 11, but you can install Linux or any OS you want. It comes with Armory Crate, where you can control performance modes, lighting, fan speed, and monitor system stats. It's a handy app that gives you a lot of control. You can set it to silent for regular tasks or turbo when you need raw power. There's also a MUC switch, which is rare in mini PCs. It lets you switch between integrated and dedicated graphics. It's helping you save power or boost performance. The cooling system is excellent. For a small PC, it stays surprisingly quiet. During gaming or rendering, the fans do spin up, but it's never annoying. Asus has clearly put a lot of effort into airflow and thermal design. You won't face overheating problems here. It's reliable even under pressure. Now, let's get into gaming and creative performance. I tested popular games like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and Fortnite. All of them ran very well on high to ultra settings. The RTX 4070 GPU delivers strong frame rates at 108p and 144p. If you hook it up to a good monitor, you'll get a premium gaming experience. Ray tracing also works great. You can enjoy modern visuals without compromise. In creative tasks, it performs even better. I tried Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Blender, and Photoshop. Exported 4K videos faster than most laptops. Blender renders were smooth. Effects previews and After Effects didn't lag. It's perfect for content creators who want power but don't want a bulky desktop. It's small, but it delivers big performance. Audio and speakers are basic, since it's a mini PC, and it doesn't have built-in speakers. But most users will use headphones or external speakers anyway. The audio output through the headphone jack and HDMI is clean and high quality. For gaming, movies, or editing, the sound quality depends on your setup, and with a good speaker system or headphones, the experience is great. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROG NUC 2025 is packed with ports. You get a SPIA USB-C with Thunderbolt 4 HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and even a headphone jack. There's also Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. You can connect multiple monitors, fast storage, and all your accessories with ease. The Thunderbolt for port is especially useful for creators and professionals. You can transfer large files quickly or connect to an external GPU if needed. One of the best parts is the flexibility. You can upgrade the SSD and RAM if you want to add more memory, or change the drive. It's easy. Just remove the panel and swap the parts. For a mini PC, this is rare and very welcome. Battery life isn't something we consider here since it's a desktop-style unit, but it uses power efficiently. It doesn't draw as much electricity as a full desktop with similar specs. The power brick is compact and easy to manage. It's also energy efficient, which is great if you're running it for long hours every day. Let's talk about the price and value. The ROG NUC 2025 is not cheap, but for what it offers, the value is actually very strong. You're getting desktop-level performance in a body that's smaller than most gaming consoles. If you build a custom PC with similar parts, it might cost more and take up more space. Here, everything is compact, clean, and ready to go. It's especially good for gamers who want a small but powerful system. It's great for students, professionals, and content creators who need something fast but easy to carry or store. If you compare it to a gaming laptop, you don't get a screen or keyboard, but the power is better and it's easier to cool. It also lasts longer and is easier to upgrade. Now let's look at the pros and cons. The pros are clear. First, you get powerful performance in a compact body. Second, the design is attractive and solid. Third, the cooling is very effective. Fourth, it has great port selection and upgrade options. And lastly, it's great for both work and play. As for the cons, the price is on the higher side. Also, there are no built-in speakers, which some users might expect. And finally, the GPU is a laptop version, not a desktop one. So while it's powerful, it's not as strong as full-size desktop graphics cards. But considering the size and power balance, that's expected. So what's the final verdict? The ROG NUC 2025 Mini PC is one of the best compact PCs you can buy right now. It's powerful, quiet, well-designed, and very capable. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or a creator, this little machine can handle almost everything you throw at it. You get performance, style, and flexibility in one clean package. If space is limited but your needs are big, this is a great choice. Thanks for watching this review on TapTech. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the ROG NUC 2025, and if you plan to get one. We'll see you in the next video.